solve this system of equations, the left-hand side of each equation is one variable plus the product of the other two variables. The right-hand side of each equation is 32. From equation 1, we know that A equals 32 minus BC by rearranging the equation. Substitute equation 4 in equations 2 and 3. We have B plus 32 minus BC times C equals 32. C plus 32 minus BC times B equals 32. We can write these as B plus 32C minus BC squared equals 32. C plus 32B minus B squared C equals 32. Equation 5 minus equation 6, we have B minus C plus 32 times C minus B plus BC times B minus C equals 0. (32) times C minus B can be written as minus 32 times B minus C. So the first two terms can be written as minus 31 times B minus C. By factorizing the left-hand side of the equation, we can now write B minus C times BC minus 31. So either B minus C equals 0 or BC minus 31 equals 0. So either B equals C or BC equals 31. Case 1, B equals C. Substitute B equals C in equation 5. We have C plus 32C minus C cubed equals 32. By rearranging the equation, we can now write C cubed minus 33C plus 32 equals 0. We can write 32 as 33 minus 1. We can factorize the first two terms and write C minus 1 times C squared plus C plus 1. The third and fourth terms can be factorized, and we can now write minus 33 times c minus 1. The two terms have a common factor, c minus 1. So we can now write c minus 1 times c squared plus c minus 32. So either c minus 1 equals 0 or c squared plus c minus 32 equals 0. So either c equals 1 or c equals minus 1 plus minus root of 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 32 over 2, which can be simplified to minus 1 plus minus root of 129 over 2, for c equals 1, b equals c equals 1. From equation 4, a equals 32 minus bc, which is equal to 32 minus 1, which is 31. Thus, a, b, c equals 31, 1, 1. For c equals minus 1 plus minus root of 129 over 2. B equals c equals minus 1 plus minus root of 129 over 2. From equation 4, a equals 32 minus bc equals 32 minus 1 plus minus root of 129 over 2 all squared, which is equal to 32 minus 130 minus plus 2 times root of 129 over 4, which is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 times root of 129 over 4, which is equal to minus 1 plus minus root of 129 over 2. Thus, a equals b equals c equals minus 1 plus minus root of 129 over 2. Case 2, bc equals 31. Substitute bc equals 31 in equation 5. We have b plus 32c minus 31c equals 32. By simplifying the equation, we can now write b plus c equals 32. We can write 32 as 31 plus 1, which is equal to bc plus 1. By rearranging the equation, we can now write b plus c minus bc minus 1 equals 0. We can factorize b and minus bc and write b times 1 minus c. We can write c minus 1 as minus 1 minus c. The two terms have a common factor, 1 minus c. So we can now write b minus 1 times 1 minus c. So either b equals 1 or c equals 1. For b equals 1, c equals 31 over b, which is 31. From equation 4, a equals 32 minus bc, which is equal to 32 minus 31, which is 1. For c equals 1, b equals 31 over c, which is 31. From equation 4, a equals 32 minus bc, which is equal to 32 minus 31, which is 1. Thus, a, b, c equals 1, 31, 1, 1, 1, 31,